In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a few minutes showing you how you can use the LOGEST function in Excel, which returns variables associated with your exponential equation that will fit your data in Excel. So here I just have sample data of y values and x values. And to get an exponential equation like right here, using LOGEST function, I do equals LOGEST. Now the first argument is the known y's. So what are my known y values? That is right here in column A. And it's the only required argument for the function, but you're probably going to use the other ones. Comma, the next argument is our known x values, which are these values right here. Next argument, which is optional, is the constant. So have false if you want b to be forced to equal to 1, or true if you just want it to be calculated normally, which the function just defaults to being true and calculating the constant normally. And last argument is stats, so if you want additional statistics returned associated with the function, you can type true. I'll show you what those are in a minute, but just going to have the known y's and those x values right here, close parentheses. And this is what it returns. Now, it's a bit confusing because in this function right here, y equals b times n to the x power, this is the m, and this is a b, which I think makes things a bit confusing that the function is b times m to the x, and the LOGEST function returns m and then b, but just keep that in mind. And to show you what this looks like if you force the constant to be true, for 1, it forces that to be 1 right there, as you can see. And I'm going to skip over this argument right here by just doing a comma, and I type true to show you what the additional statistics returns, which it returns this. Now, those additional statistics I copied and pasted in another sheet, which is this stuff right here. So these additional statistics in column 1 and column 2 right here is this right here. Sorry, I did not copy paste that right. Is this stuff. I'm being completely honest, stats is not my strong suit. I found this on the internet, but hopefully this is useful. So here's b, the base of the exponent, a, the constant multiplier right here, which I guess is what the function just returns by standard. My additional statistics right here are down kind of below. F statistics, SS regression, SS residual, and so on and so forth. Is R squared quite low? But yeah, hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.